This week, we are going to introduce another art career, graphic design. Just like what we learned before, artists can have different careers. If you have the artistic skills, you can choose to be a fashion designer, an interior designer, an art teacher, a filmmaker, a photographer, and the list goes on. What is graphic design and what graphic designer usually do? Graphic design is the art or skill of combining text and pictures in advertisements, publications, and products. It is basically a visual communication. It requires graphic designers have the skills to deliver a clear message through images and elements of art. We see graphic design everywhere in our life. The brands you like, the movies you watch, the apps you're using, and the books you're reading. Typography or lettering is an important part of graphic design. This week, we will learn a fun way to create your own graphic design poster. All you need is a black marker, a pencil, some colorful markers. Crayons or color pencils are optional. You can decide whether you want your paper to go vertically or horizontally. Grab a marker and outline the paper first. Take your time to make the line bold and as straight as possible. Next step, break the paper with 2 or 3 wavy lines. Now, let's choose a phrase from the list I provided, or you can create your own positive words. Use the words that make you and other people feel good. You can use a pencil to sketch the letter out first to make sure the layout works. Notice that the top of my letter touches the top of my line. The bottom of my letter stretches all the way down to the bottom of the line. You can always go back and trace the line thicker to create more contrast, so the letter stands out more. Now, I am just using some colorful markers to outline the shape of my letters. You can be creative about your color choice here. You can finish right here after you traced all the letters. But if you have some crayons or color pencils at home, you can even create some value by sketching the same color very gently in the negative space. This will make your work look more complete and interesting. I can't wait to see your graphic design poster this week.